US Classic Muscle Cars loves convertibles. I hope you enjoy this next video. We definitely did. Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. Enjoy the next video.
Hi, my name's John. This is my 1968 Firebird convertible. We've been working on it for a couple of years. Redid the engine, interior, roof, seats, exhaust system,
neat,
wheels and tires.
Wow. What color paint is this? I mean, not what color, but what
we actually got the car from somebody, and all we did was sand it and buff it out.
Oh, okay. It's real nice, real nice, real nice.
Hello, this is Lenny with MaxCare Auto Shield, a shop located at 6301 South Costner Avenue in Chicago. We're a friendly neighborhood shop that works on everything but the bodywork. We'd love to have your business. Our phone number is 773-598-8802, and you can reach us at our website at maxautoshield.com. Thank you. We'd love to have you as our customer.
And then you know, the chrome and then the black.
The chrome we repolished most of the chrome is original. The windshield chrome is original. The back chrome is original. Most of the trim parts have all been upgraded new.
Nice.
Nice. Stainless has all been rebuffed out.
Nice, nice, nice.
The interior, we redid the seats inside. Actually, the door panels, the console is all original.
Uh-huh.
The steering wheel, we upgraded the steering wheel, and we repainted it to match the console.
Nice, nice. And then the rims and the wheels are?
Yeah, the rims are
American Racing?
American Racing rims.
Nice.
Nido tires.
There you go. And then car show awards?
I just won one. It's funny, I just won one a couple of weeks ago.
Neat.
Yeah.
What was the class?
64 to 69.
There you go. There you go. And then, did you? What kind of exhaust does it have?
It's got a stock exhaust.
Okay.
We just redid it, and the exhaust tips are new,
right,
just to make it look cooler.
Right. And then I'm taking a look at the interior.
Yeah, today we had to put the top up. It would have been a lot easier with the top down, so you could see the interior's all been new. It looks like brand new.
And how's the car to drive?
It's beautiful to drive.
I bet. That grill there. All right.
Would you like to see the engine?
There you go. There you go.
Okay.
All right. So what are we looking at here?
We're looking at a stock 350 Pontiac with a Lopi cam, probably about Edelbrock intake, Edelbrock carb, 350 carb. Been upgrade. Everything's just about an upgrade on. We put a power booster for the brakes. We got disc brakes on the front.
Nice. And then how long have you owned the car?
We only had it about 8 years. We've been working on it for about 2 years.
Right. That is so sweet. That is so sweet.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.